picked up this little tiny LED optical light from some dollar store. Basically took it apart, and inside of it, it just runs off of 3 AA batteries. So all there was inside of it was 3 LEDs, switch, power source, and then a little microcontroller right there. That little white thing that you see. So fairly simple. Anyway, operating voltage of it is 4.5 volts. So I plan on powering it with USB, which is 5 volts. I was going to throw in 2 resistors to act as a voltage divider, so I get the voltage from 5 volts down to 4.5. But I'm just going to say go ahead and screw it and just hook up 5 volts, because a half a volt shouldn't really be that big of a difference, especially if we're just dealing with LEDs and a microcontroller. So let's see what happens. Oh, and I just made like a little hole in the side here for the USB cable. And this plastic was really easy to make a hole in, because I just used a screwdriver basically and popped a hole in the side. Pretty thin plastic. So I just also have a 2-foot USB cable here, picked up from the dollar store. So I'm just going to chop off one end and solder that onto the board, and then the other end will go into the computer. I'm just going to use this for testing. It's Apple's mini brick for iPhone/iPod, and just takes 120 volt AC from the wall and converts it to 5 volt DC. So I'll be using this to test the circuit first before I plug into my computer. New circuit's all set up. Just used the red from the USB and the yellow from the USB for positive, negative. Other 2 data cables are data plus, data minus, and ground. Don't need those. And just gotta put it back together now. And there's the end result. So perfectly good working lamp, powered by 5 volts. And I just put a little bit of hot glue there to keep the cable in place, and plugs into the wall. So now if you wanted to, you could plug it into your laptop via USB and it will be powered through USB.